On my grind, blowing lime 24/7, engine revving.
Yeah, I ain't really planning on doing this. I had already started breaking stuff apart, dug into things, but we cleaned though. Got them gloves on. What we doing today is, I've been so caught up, not really caught up, but everything going on, trying to get prepared for the inevitable. Trying to get the Tahoe right. Finally got him looking similar to what, you know what I mean, what I need him to look like. But had these things sitting in the trunk, so I said forget about it. I might as well jump out there and go ahead and slap them on. So what we'll be doing today is rear brakes on a Buick Lucerne. I got an 09, so if you got anything near that year, they might all be the same. If you're doing your rear brakes, here's what you're going to need. No cap. You're going to need a 14 short. Open or closed in 14. Of course, a ratchet to go with that short. And this is a 15. The 15 is for the caliper bracket. The 14 is for the caliper bolts itself. And then you'll, if you like, I don't know if these are the factory rotors still. I don't know really. This car don't got a lot of miles on it. It could be the factory rotors, but what I used was a T27 to get the rotor screwed out. As you can see, it is not marred up or nothing. But I ended up pausing to take a little quick break, and that's why I was like, let me turn the camera on, man. Let me get in front of that joint, let y'all know I'm all right. Secondly, well, not secondly, but follow me. You're gonna need one of the other, either one of these, and then you just gotta find which groove fit into your caliper. Anytime you got a rear caliper that's a turnstile, this is always good to have a backup. But I also got this right here. That's the part number on it. I don't even know what company this is, but this adjusts to your caliper or whatever. I hope it ain't seized up. Shoot, let me just lubricate that. But yeah, I'm about to whack this rotor off because it don't want to come off. It is seized on there a little bit. Free it up with a little bit of leather, you know what I'm talking about? But yeah, we'll get back. Yeah, so a little persuasion, we got that rotor off. It always helps to have a little persuasion in your toolbox. Like I said, this is the one that I like to use. It adjusts. I got 2 grooves in mine, so it's gonna work out perfect. And sometimes what I'll do is I'll take the brake pads out of here. Let's let that motorcycle ride past. Sometimes I'll take the brake pads out of here because they're junk anyway. We're not reusing them. I'll take them joints out. Sometimes I'll mount this back on here and put the caliper back in there to where as though I can fit this through there and crank it down. But I'm not going to go through all that today. This is going to be fairly simple. Basically, you want to get a good grip on your calipers. Let's adjust it now. I'm going to get it queued up to like right around there. That way it could grab what it's supposed to grab. And then I did it again. We got that thing bit down on there. We gotta hold the rotor in place. I mean the caliper. Yeah. And this is why I usually mount the caliper back onto the car, because it really does help. You don't want to manipulate this too much. This is your brake hose, so you need that thing to kind of be the safest thing moving right now, so you don't want to do too much. I was using the wrong hand, but it's all good. Y'all see how I'm cranking that thing down easy right now, right? Another thing that I suggest doing sometimes is if you the type to check your brake fluid and you replace it once you see it's getting low, you might want to open that reservoir up, let that excess brake fluid flow out, because once you're done with the brake job, you're literally going to have too much brake fluid in there. So yeah, I'm gonna let the cameraman go back to doing his thing. Catch you in the next clip. Went in here and pre-coated my brake pads. Fuck it, I smoke so wet. With some disc brake quiet. Stops brake squeals and squeaks. Yeah. Got everything over here all cleaned up. One other thing I wanted to note, when you're doing stuff like brakes and stuff, it's good to get this cleaned up as much as possible. You don't need a big old tool, just good old brush. Clean that up. And if you're the type that want to paint your calipers, clean it up with that. Put the primer on there and boom. I actually got some color matching paint, but I'm gonna put it on I think I'm gonna put it on the engine cover. But this is pretty much almost the end of this video. I'm not gonna do both wheels on the video, but yeah, you'll see the finished product on one of the sides, and then I'm gonna just jump on the other side. Yo, this Corona got us tripping, got us buying stuff, got us doing stuff. Listen, keep doing the normal. I got something on my camera. Yo, keep doing your normal life except for maintain that hygiene. Now we can't know. Let me reiterate. You can't live your normal life. You cannot live your normal life. Best to do is stay in your house. If you live with people, stay around them. Don't go around nobody else. Though that might be hard to do, you gotta do what you have to do around this time. Use that hygiene. I pray that everybody can get a set of gloves, a box of gloves with a 100 pack and an N95 mask. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna give them to the doctors and stuff, whatever first. I fortunately have mine. I got to worry about this baby. I got to worry about Mike Jr. I got to worry about my girls too, so it's not like I'm just worried about the boys. I got to worry about everybody in my household, so I'm playing it safe. Yeah, I'm out here right now without an N95. I'm also not around anybody. So, man, pray. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. I want to thank y'all for watching my videos, man. You know what I'm saying? People on YouTube, sometimes those comments don't get answered. They stats and all that shit go to their head. People want to get free game off of me, and I'm cool with that, but all I ask is for a subscribe. I'll respond. I try to respond to everything somebody say to me, but all I ask for is subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I don't even want nothing back. People out here, they want you to buy their merchandise. Listen, man, give me that subscribe. Watch my channel. You know what I'm saying? If you really liked it, watch it twice. You might pick up something you ain't never heard before or something. Who knows? But that's my spiel. M Black checking out. Yeah. Boom. Finished product. Now normally I won't put that screw back in there, but it's highly unlikely these brakes get done by anybody else, and I only hand tightened it to keep the rotor tight while I put the caliper bracket on. Got everything sitting in place. Now you go in here a little bit of rubbing. You gotta get that top layer of the caliper of the brake pad off, but yeah, Yeah. This is so satisfying to me. You know what? It's like life. And when I'm done, they're gonna look like that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. I don't know if you saw it before, but this here brake pad was the worst out of both of the rear. So I had a lot of rust build up and fly off on my wheels. I don't even remember really the last time I took this wheel off. I don't remember looking at the brake pad, to be honest with you. But the crazy thing is, this car was just inspected, and I guess we missed that because we inspected it ourselves. Well, not ourselves, but at my shop, so to speak. But yeah, so just taking a detail brush and getting those places around the rim here. So satisfying. I'm gonna get up in there with, I ain't really gonna get up in here with the brush. It's not gonna agitate it enough. I'm gonna get up in here with a rag. Already did the face of the wheel. This is actually the last wheel that I gotta do. So get a walk around once I get this thing sprayed off, and I gotta move the truck tonight. Yeah, that's a lot of buildup. I gotta move the truck tonight because it's street cleaning. So when I had that rust problem that I was talking about, I like to use a fallout remover. This basically combats the rust. The cleaning product is good, but damn, this is going to combat the rust. The other wheel cleaners are cool, nothing negative, but this wheel had a lot of rust on it. So you see the purple, that's the rust. Even on the rotor, that's a brand new rotor that had rust on it. But I'm gonna get to it, show you what it look like when I get done. No pressure washer today, but the end result, let me add the end result from all the scrubbing. I don't know why people want to speed past me. I guess that's my competition. I just rode past me out here. I do detailing too, that's what I do. Yeah. Alright. Oh, they just got some splash on us. Woo. So yeah. Park this motherfucker. We're gonna do a walk around with some dirt. Yeah, I just wanted to, we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that for sure. Golly, that little ceramic shit did the job on them, boy. They ain't do nothing to the seat yet. Don't worry about that. Ah, look at them wheels. But yep, this is our finished product once we scrubbed everything, and I didn't put no tire shine on because tomorrow I'm probably gonna wash it. Them factories. Woo! I don't never let my wheels get that bad. This was the one that had the best of brake pad for the most part. This is why they look like that, other than sitting on the street. When you park your car on the street, look at this. See what I'm saying? I didn't get all the rust. That's just rust. Rust sitting on the wheel. Damn it. I'm gonna have to take something to that. Whatever. But yeah, this side of the car parks with traffic going past it. So this whole side, I really tinted this whole side a little bit more than the other side. That means like double coats of wax on this side, things like that. I had my little detail brush out having fun, man. I even did this little area right here, man. I couldn't help myself. Yeah.